Okay, today I'm going to look at extended mirrors. I use them on my Jeep so I can look down the side of my trailer. And I see a lot of people driving without them, but they're really required by law. Now these extended mirrors, this mirror on the Jeep is not square or rectangle, so these things when they vibrate they want to come off like that right there. So what I've done is once I've got everything set where I want it, I've used some RTV silicone in the areas that'll come apart to make it all one piece. This way they go on easier, quickly, like so. And to make sure they don't come off, I use a bungee to hold it in place. Now it's solid. I've driven 10,000 miles with these mirrors like this and have not lost them. One of the big problems with these mirrors is how these are pulled to the side, and if you ratchet them down too tight, it's going to bust the straps. And there's no replacement straps. But by using the bungee, I don't have these tightened down so tight. They're still tight, they're not moving, and it's going to last a long time. We're going to have affiliate links to this mirror that we purchased from Amazon in the links below.